There might be like, okay, we need beef, we need meat, and meat is impossible to get. All right, so we actually cannot make a culinary generator. We don't have any meat. Love it. Actually, can I make meat? If I can make meat, it's okay. Ah, damn it. Hiccups. They're back. Okay, you can't make meat.
We can get fish.
Oh, wait. Does that work?
Yeah.
In the recipe. I'm checking if...
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude, we need to get fish.
We have a fishing rod.
Fish and potatoes. Dude, can you get some fish? The potatoes are ready. Dude. Ah, damn it. Hiccups. God. Okay, I think I'm alright. Also... Ah, damn it. Furnace generator. Okay, we can make 2 more culinary generators if you get some fish. Ow. Oh, I like this
Two
prospect.
fish.
Exactly 2, yes. Oh, no, yeah, 2 fish, actually. 2 fish, and we need some redstone, which we have. 2 more culinary generators. Will be, damn it, huge. I won't even have to drain this, ever. We'll just always have 2 working to fill these up. Ow. Which is super cool prospects. The prospects of which are endless. Okay. I guess the title isn't a lie. It is. Antimatter chemistry with hiccups. Ow.
I got a raw salmon and a raw fish.
Nice. I will now cook those.
I don't know if the salmon will work, but
Yeah, I think it's just the fish.
yeah.
Do we have any fish? Actually, we have 1 fish, so if you bring me the other fish, we'll be okay.
I put the fish in the ME system.
Never mind then, that's the fish. We also need a lot of potatoes. Yeah, we do. Ow. Nice. Oh, this is gonna be so cool once it's ready. Okay, that 10 mil power isn't that hard to get. The problem is the water. 1,000 buckets. I mean, sure, we could sit here all day getting 1,000 buckets, but, like, no. Because we could all put it into 1 barrel like we did last time. Like I started to do, and then was like, nah, this sucks. I got to, like, 70 barrels and was like, Damn it. Damn it, hiccups. That's actually not great.
Yeah.
Whoa. You got osmium. Wait, did you get another fish?
No.
We need 2. Are you still fishing?
No.
Oh, can you
Can
give
you
me the
still
fishing rod
not
then?
see me?
I can't see you, but can I have the fishing rod, please?
Yeah. Stand still.
Yeah, thank you. Ah, dang. It's fish time, though. It's kind of good. Hey, I got it first try. You want your fishing rod back?
It's fine.
Alright, it's in the ME.
Uh,
Because I technically can't see you. Physically as well. Physically can't see you. Damn it. Okay, I didn't think about fish. We actually can do this now. We couldn't because we didn't have any furnace generators, I don't think. And those were a pain to make back in the day.
what were?
Uh, fish. Anyway, tell me when you're done using the ting.
The smell ME system?
Yes.
Okay, I mean, I'm not using it right now, but
Okay, because your items are still there.
yeah.
Alright, I'll wait. It's okay. I'll just like, I
You
don't know.
can move those. I
Oh,
need to get a copper gear, so.
okay, yeah, I'll demove them for now. Thank you. Okay. I will make a culinary generator. Actually, I'll make two. Oh. Oh. Wheat was a weird choice. Aren't we growing wheat currently?
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, it's gonna be so cool. So cool. Now I need 2 more stacks of baked potatoes.
No, 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 no,
Oh.
no.
And a third time. 2 more culinary generators.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. Why isn't this one working? Oh, okay. Oh, click the wrong
I
thing.
have a Tony on my lap. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, you can get down.
Oh, it's filling up. It's filling up, boys. We're doing it. Actually, quite quickly. Quickly, too.
It's the culinary generators?
Oh, yeah. We've got tons, which is lovely.
Nice.
Hate when it glitches like this, but it's okay. These are both operating pretty nominally now. And it's filling up again, but it doesn't matter. Because I'm very quickly filling up. Well, slowly, but soon we'll have 10 mil. Ooh, the prospects of that are cool. 10 mil. I remember when we first made 2 mil, and I was like, dude, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Also, water sacrifice? Uh-oh. That's like a big uh-oh. Oh, I didn't realize this. On top of the culinary generator is a fork, a knife, and a plate. Interesting. Because ours have always been covered by chemical combiners and or dissolvers. Oh, that's so cool. It's almost to 500,000. Well, no, it's pretty far from that. It's actually a pretty insufficient source of power, but I mean, whatever. Nice. Ah. Alright, I think I'm gonna drain it again just for the added of it. Oh yeah, that just starts to way raise it.
Nope. Well, I know how to make flint now.
Do you?
Yeah, not that we need flint.
Alright, I cut off the flood valve. Wow, we have over 3 million already here. Potatoes are getting
Cool.
used quick though.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
Especially since I've been using the stuff.
Yeah. Okay, I'll top all of them up. It's gonna take like a while of just like letting it sit and do nothing.
Have everything I need for the device frame, I'm pretty sure.
It does appear so. It does say
Yup.
device frame components.
How did it?
Yep. We have to make both of
Oh,
these things too, by the way. We have to make both a
both
fluid
of
pump
what?
and aqueous accumulator.
No. Do we?
Yeah. We have to make both.
It says valid items. I don't think you have to do both.
Yeah, it's aqueous accumulator, comma, fluid pump.
Uh,
Because it's all about getting it so we can obtain 1,000 buckets of water.
mm.
48 steel ingots, we have that. So we could turn that in anytime. Oh, dude, I did it, didn't I? Oh, I didn't.
What?
I just clicked view dependence. The gods of Atom. Alright. Nice. Interesting. 10 million FE. 10 million. 10 million. RF. I think I just called it FP or something, but RF, yeah. It's pretty interesting if you ask me. Pretty good way to spend a day.
Yeah. I mean, not a day, but like an hour.
It's already been an hour and 13 minutes.
Yeah. 10 minutes. Oh, I guess you've been going longer than me though, so
Yeah, just by a little bit.
not much, but
Yeah. Damn, I keep hiccuping, man. That sucks. Anyway, we have 3.2 mil.
cool. Whoa. Get out of the smeltery, dude.
I can't. Okay, I can. I almost couldn't. That was almost death. Whoa, a blood gear. Oh, that's an iron gear. I was like, did you just make a blood gear?
You can't even do
I,
that.
wa-
You can make
I,
congealed blood,
I
but
want to try so hard to make a blood gear. Let me just try real quick.
you can't.
I bet you can, though.
You can't. There's one thing you can do. You can make congealed blood, and that's it.
Ugh, I guess, if jaboring.
No, if I know this as a fact.
If physics, I mean, come on. Maybe I can even make a blood ingot.
You can't make a blood ingot.
I'm checking.
Alright, I got the dude. I got at least one of the dudes. See? You didn't have to make both.
What? Oh, shit. Okay, we need to start doing that then. What do Octus accumulators do? Hold shift for details. Pulls water from surroundings. We need one above the source block, feeding into a big ass tank. How do we make a tank? Let me find a tank that can fit 1,000 buckets of water. Tank. I looked up B tank. I just meant to look up tank. Tanks do exist. Tank. Glass and obsidian. Or, who makes this?
What?
Who makes the thing? Who makes this thing? No, that's not it. It's this thing. Thermal expansion.
Steel.
What does it feed into? Maybe itself. That's why there's a bucket. It just fills itself. Ooh, okay. So I have the fluid ducts. So maybe, just maybe, I could, like, set it on this source block. That didn't mean to happen. Maybe, just maybe, I can, like, do a thing. Anyway, I don't know. Try something out. Try to get some water without destroying our source block. Although, it doesn't matter because we can always get more water.
We have an infinite source block.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you can, like, find a way to just drain that one source block. That one source block. Ow.
So what does this do?
It accumulates water from the nearby surroundings. And we need 1,000 buckets, not 10,000.
Only 1,000?
Yes. Well,
Okay,
only
'cause
might
this
be a
thing...
weird way. Of
Well,
saying
this
that.
thing can hold 8,000, so...
Oh, hell yeah! Just place it. In a way, is it doing it?
Oh, wait. No, it can hold 8 buckets.
Millibuckets. Yeah,
No,
eight buckets, really?
8 is 8 buckets, yeah.
Uh, we have to build a tank, don't we? How much storage
Yeah, I
does
don't
the
know
tank?
how...
I don't know how much the tank stores. Maybe
I
there's like
don't
a
know how to
certain.
do this.
You what?
I don't know how to do this. What did you...
Oh, barrel. Wait, I just had a crazy ass idea. What if we connected it using fluid ducts?
What?
What if we
Did you...
fluidly connected it?
Hang on.
I can't actually make it. Yeah, I can't actually make it input. But I
I'm gonna
could
see
connect
if
it to
it
the ME
needs a...
system and see if we could fill the ME system. How did we store it before? I had a thing where I could store it. I'm not sure what happened to that thing.
I don't know.
Huh.
So does it actually have to be in the water? Oh, yeah. It just has to be... Okay. So it just has to be
We
in the
might want to
water.
put an infinite source block.
It didn't change anything.
I know, what I'm saying is, if we put the infinite source block connecting to the ME system, what if it just puts all the water in there?
I don't think you can put water in
Okay,
the ME
alright then.
system.
I think there is a way, but okay. The god of a tomb requires a requires a great tribute of water to quench their thirst. Maybe if you give them water, they will let you into their realm. Please do not submit 1,000 buckets manually. I only say this because, of course, it has happened before. Please use fluid ducts or similar fluid transporter pumps fluid into the task screen. Huh? Into the task screen. Task screen. Is there a way you can do that?
Well, what is a task screen?
Oh yeah. Oh, the task screen. Ah,
Yeah,
we got the task screen. Let me do that. Let me do it.
I have them in my inventory.
Oh, that sucks. Okay, place them over near the. I have the fluid ducts, so place it near it, and I'll put the fluid duct to it. Oh,
Okay.
cool. We'll have to do the same with the energy. Ooh.
Whoa, that's big.
Yeah. Sheesh. Why did you put? Oh, dear.
I broke it. I did not expect it to be
Was
that
that
big.
one?
That was one.
Okay, place them over here. Do it just here.
Okay.
Don't do it there. Do it here. In like a row. Keep placing them.
Oh. Oh, wait. Hang on. This is gonna annoy me if I don't fix it, so... Do I need to place all of them? I have 20. Not going in.
I put the task to 1,000 buckets of water.
Input only.
I want to make it water.
What?
Okay, I don't know how to, like, I connected it, but it didn't do anything. Oh, there we go.
Ah, yes. I did that.
How do, it's input only false, but is it getting input? Oh, now it is.
There we go.
Oh,
That's just that one, I think, though.
I don't think it matters. I thought millibuckets
Yeah.
anyway. You can delete the rest if you can. And, dude, look at that.
Yeah. Well, that says 1,000 buckets, so I think
Yes.
that'll do it for us.
Okay, yeah, I'm taking these away so we can put them near the energy, possibly. Is it still working? It
Mm-hmm.
is. Give us a lot of task screens. We could do one for iron. I can put one near the energy, and it'll just start to give the energy instead of being in these things, which was dumb that I spent all the time to make these. Also, there's someone in my chat, or I have a viewer. Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
go to my Discord. Join the Discord. Oh, jeez. Still have the hiccups. My title is still true. Should I just do that? Why did I make these then?
Yeah, your viewer is Academy Impossible.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Also, you have I don't know, two
How did you
viewers
do
or
that?
something. Hang on. Task
I don't.
10 million FE, and then
Oh.
yeah, energy sacrifice.
Uh-oh. Oh.
There
Oh.
you go.
Okay.
It's
I need to
not.
configure this. Eh?
Oh,
Haha.
there we go.
Ho
Now
ho.
it is.
It's like not
Very
draining.
slowly.
But dude, we're going
Yeah,
somewhere.
we're getting stuff
We're getting her
done.
going, dude. We're getting her going.
This is
Antimatter
it's
chemistry
doing a thing.
episode something. Getting her going. That's
Getting her done.
getting her done. That's this episode. That's next
Yeah.
episode.
Oh
Well,
yeah, because we're not gonna.
this episode's getting her going. Next episode is getting her done.
Yeah.
Why did they give us so many task screens? Oh crap!
I don't know. I think we can use them for a lot of
That actually
things.
would be kind of cool too. Ooh, we're almost. Oh, we're past a mill. That's kind of cool, if you ask
Let
me.
me see how much is in here.
Whoa. I need more potatoes. Yum.
Come look at the water.
Is it going pretty quick?
Yeah, it's like
Oh wow, it's
pretty
going.
close to halfway.
Hey, it's actually pretty sick.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad we're getting her going like this.
Oh. I didn't realize we had already finished all of the time things.
Oh yeah, you mean the mob one? Oh, the time ones. Yeah.
No, yeah, the time ones.
Yeah. Hell yeah, I'm live.
What?
I don't know. Megan just said that I was live. I'm like, yeah, I'm live.
Yeah, I mean,
Ah, damn.
you can't really be live and not know it.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess
I'm
you
live. Whoa.
could, but wait, I didn't realize I opened the thing and
Oh,
I
I clicked the
pressed the
thing.
button.
Oh my god. Oh, I've been commentating this entire time? No way.
Wow.
No
I
way.
didn't know that. Owen Wilson. Wow.
Whoa. It's crazy. Dude, this is low-key awesome.
This is Loki?
Low-key
Wow.
awesome, bro. I'm just putting more spigots on this thing.
I don't think that'll do anything.
Well, nor do I. I'm just doing it.
Alright.
I'm just doing like this, and then I'll do it like that. I'll do it like that. Look at that. Whoa, hiccups. Keep coming.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Whoa.
Oh, wow. Power's ramping up.
Power's ramping up, right?
Go in.
Power's flowing.
Oh,
Almost to
but
like
it's
4
almost
mil.
out.
What?
But oh, I guess you have it hooked up to that.
Wow, my
The
cat is angry right now.
generators are all at like empty.
What? You mean they're out of potatoes?
No, I not generators. The energy cells.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Wait, why didn't that do? There you go. Now you do the deal, and now I'll do the deal.
Dude,
Great.
the water's actually not even gonna take that much longer.
Nor is power. Surprisingly,
Yeah.
it's gonna be like not that long. Putting away the task screens. They're not needed. Got 3 viewers. Whoa. Join the Discord. Okay. 10 million FE. Wait, no, we have 5 mil. We're half. Dude, we're halfway. No way. We actually are halfway. And the hiccups
Yeah.
have been going for a strong an hour and 28 minutes. Actually, no, they took a break halfway through. They've been going strong for a good, I don't know, 28 minutes.
Cool.
28 minutes of hiccups.
Water's like really close.
Oh, yeah, I bet. You know what else is really close? My will to live. I don't know what I meant by that.
That doesn't make sense.
Ah, damn it. Laughing is like very questionable right now.
What do you mean?
It's a very questionable decision to laugh with hiccups.
Oh. Yeah.
Ah, damn it. Okay, wait. Well, we're doing good on the FE though. We're like halfway there on that. All we have to do is 48.
We are so close.
48
with
iron. How much iron do we have?
No, it's not. It's 48 steel.
What? Wait, steel. How do we make steel?
I don't know.
Oh my god, it's not really steel.
It is.
Steel, honey, stuff, huh?
It's 48 steel
Whoa,
ingots.
steel ingot. Let me look that up.
They will be consumed.
Yeah, it's probably telling you, like, don't get too attached. Okay, wait, induction smelter. We can do it with the induction. We did just make an induction smelter, right?
Induction smelter. We should have.
We can do it with the induction smelter. Kinda. It's kind of dumb.
Oh, iron and pulverized.
I don't
coal.
know why.
That's
I just
not
hold
too
it up.
hard.
A small tube of toothpaste. Anyway, we're doing all right. We're going. We're getting it done. Not that. Oh man. Boom. All right. We're doing good. Ah, damn it. Okay. I wonder how what the pay. Oh! We did it.
We did it.
Oh my god, dude. Uh-oh.
We get 4 diamonds from that?
What? Whoa! Whoa! 4 diamonds. What do we do with a whole 4 diamonds? A whole 4, my guy. I'm gonna put those in the Emmy system. Don't steal them. They're for everyone's use, including me and you.
Got 1,000 buckets of water.
1,000 buckets of water. And 5.27 million FE. Come on now.
How do you know that?
Because it says that. And
Where?
also, math, my guy, math.
Where does it say that?
It says that in the corner.
Of what?
I don't think you see it because it's not. It's. Just go to the quest again. Like, just go near it. I don't know. Oh, no.
I don't see
yeah,
it.
that was that thing. Never mind. I was like, well. Oh, my God. Okay. Uh-oh. Also. Whoa. Ow. Okay, we're going somewhere. We're doing something.
Why do you have the generators hooked up to the cells and not just the...
Okay.
thing specifically or directly.
Huh.
You could have the
Yeah, I know, but that's a lot
generators
of
hook
work. I don't want to do that. Then I feel like my generators actually are worth something.
Okay.
Because otherwise, I'm gonna be like,
Well,
well, I built all of these energy cells for nothing. I mean, we'll still use them to store energy, I guess, for
yeah.
projects. We might as well. But like, 6.07 mil, dude. It's a lot of
Cool.
FE. That's a lot of Five Nights at Freddy's. Am I right?
Uh,
That's such a terrible thing. Five Nights at Freddy's was.
what do you mean?
What do I mean in life?
6.10 mil. 6.11.
Allow me to scream in the corner of my room for showing you what I feel. I'll be back in a sec. Oh my god. You're welcome. How was that?
I didn't hear anything.
Oh, what? Did my microphone really? Take
Either
that
your
out?
mic or Discord.
What?
Discord cuts out if it's too loud. So
I was so loud. Dang it. I just. Alright, well, I'll scream once it reaches 10. I think we have to just stay here and, maintain the potatoes. Can you, start farming potatoes?
I guess.
Because what else are you doing? You know what I'm saying? Just start farming potatoes for me. Thank you. Make sure to place them back when you're done.
I know.
No, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. No, stop. Let me do it then. You have to crouch while you do it so more potatoes grow, and right-click on them so you plant them as you go. You'll get infinite potatoes. If you do it that way, it's going to take longer. Okay? Damn.
Yeah, I haven't done much farming in this, so.
Or ever? I mean, that's just how farming be. Except for the crouch
No.
part.
Also, that's not how it is in vanilla Minecraft.
True. Hell yeah. Uh-oh. I did bad. It's okay, though. Whoa. It's actually an interesting way to do it, but, yeah, nice.
What?
I don't know at this point. Also, smote the potatoes, please, when you're done. 6.29, bro. 6.29.
Nice.
We're looking good potatoes-wise? No, well, it's gonna need to be
guess.
replaced soon.
The potatoes?
Yes, in a way.
Okay.
Yes, kind of.
Well, I do have a lot of potatoes.
I bet. Yeah, just start smelting them. Whoa, okay. Oh, my mic just fell on me. Goodness. Wow. What, is that funny?
Yeah.
Is that funny to you?
Yeah.
You laughing about that?
Uh-huh.
How about I laugh you straight to hell, huh?
That would be quite a feat.
How about I Whoa. Yes, I suppose it would be quite a feat. Feet. Whatever you want to call it. I don't like feet. Who said that?
Honestly, if you could laugh me to hell, I would let you do it because I want to see that.
You want to see? You want to see hell? Oh no, you want to see me laugh you to hell?
Yeah, that would be rad.
It would be kind of a cool experience. Like, hey kids, today we're going on a field trip to hell. Woo-hoo. You guys have been so misbehaving in class recently that I'm gonna show the devil, and he's gonna tell you guys a thing or two about behaving well to other people. And if you don't worry, you'll just be tortured for all of eternity. Dumbass little kindergartners.
Typical day in Miss Frizzle's class.
She deserves to go to prison. With Miss Frizzle? No way, these police sirens. Miss Frizzle, you're under arrest. You're under arrest. You didn't make the parents never signed permission slips to go inside of your own classmates. Because they do that in one episode.
I know.
You entered the body of another classmate without consent. Don't take that out of context. Oh, wait. What would you do if Bigfoot emerged from the shadow realm with a big smile on his face? He sticks out his hands and says, "Red pill or blue pill?"
He says what?
Okay, Bigfoot, right? He emerges from the
Yeah.
shadow realm with a big ass smile on his face. He sticks out
Alright.
his hands and he says, "Red pill or blue pill? Which do you pick?" Or how do you react? What would you do?
I would honestly, I would probably be like, Bigfoot, you're real?
I'll be like,
And you
oh.
were in the shadow realm?
I'd be like, what do these pills do exactly? Does it follow the same story as the Matrix, or does it not? You
Well,
know?
he was in the shadow realm, so I'd assume there's some shadow realm shit.
Yeah, I bet there's some shadow realm shit going on here, and I don't know if I'm ready for that. Damn it, hiccups. Still going. 38 minutes strong.
Nice.
I know, isn't it?
Yeah. Please let this be a normal field trip with Miss Frizzle? Unfucking likely.
Miss Frizzle? Go to hell. I'm streaming. Anyway. Yeah, right. Oh no, hold on. No way. No way.
What?
Anyway. Okay.
What? What?
Huh?
What just happened?
My mom just came in a room, turned my fan on.
Oh.
And I was like, nah. Because, it's not going to happen. Wow, my camera still looks very blue, which is kind of awkward. Let me just... That hurt my mic.
Mm.
I'm just going to stare into the mic.
Into the mic or the camera?
Okay, the mic. Could you visibly... I was about to say, could you visibly hear? But then I realized that was really dumb. Could you audioly hear?
No.
Could you...
couldn't hear you staring into the microphone.
Could you hear me staring into the mic?
Oh.
No, you couldn't? Can you hear my eyes looking up at the camera?
I could not.
Ah, damn it, hiccups right into the mic. I'm just gonna purposely hiccup right into the mic.
Oh shit.
I bet we have to mine for steel. I bet we have to go to the deep dark, decorate down, dark down in the abyss of dark, deep. Ow.
No.
Darkest, deepest, or the deepest, darkest.
We induction smelter and we get pulverized coal and iron.
Are you doing that?
No.
Well, you should be. I'll do the potatoes.
Pulverizer. We don't have a pulverizer, do we?
No, we don't. So we have to go mining.
Well, we should make a pulverizer.
All right, fine. How do you make a pulverizer? Or we could just go mining and find it in like 2 seconds.
That's true.
And we can make steel picks too. We could get a little more than 48 so that we can make some steel picks. Ah, damn.
6.85 million Fe.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Yeah,
It just dawned on me that
we're
that is a
gonna
lot.
have a bunch more.
True. We should go mining in the deep dark together. I haven't been there in a while and I actually really want to go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go to the deep dark, deep down.
I have a bunch of potatoes.
Is that it? Did I do it right? Deep dark, down?
Deep dark down, deep dark.
Deep down, deep dark. Ah.
Deep dark down, deep dark.
Deep down, dark.
Deep dark down, deep dark.
Deep dark down, deep dark.
Yes.
Let me just see if this...
Deep dark down, deep dark.
I'm in the deep dark down, deep dark.
Alright, cool.
I think we should mine, bruv. Oh, that's loud. Alright, well, let me look up where steel is. Real quick on a handy dandy phone.
Alright.
Where is size steel?
You have to look specifically in the deep dark down, deep dark.
What level does steel spawn in the deep dark?
In the dark dimension. In the dark dimension.
Deep dark official feed the best. Fed the beast. Wiki.
it's no longer um present tense. It's past tense.
Okay, the deep dark dimension. I should spawn in the deep dark dimension. Damn it.
Just the dark dimension, dude.
Is it not called the deep dark? It's called the
Pretty
deep
sure it's
dark.
the
It's
dark.
called the deep dark.
Oh, it is the deep dark. I just always call it the
It
dark.
didn't work. It didn't work.
Yeah, I struggle sometimes to find the why.
Damn it.
That sounds very.
Sorry, what'd you say?
I said I struggle sometimes to find the why, and thought that sounded very. I forgot the word.
Bedrock trees spawning. This is in the deep dark. There's a lot of cool shit.
Yeah, the wiki has no information about Y levels.
Really?
Yeah.
I bet you're wrong.
I'm not. I looked at the wiki.
Okay, you're not wrong.
Told you.
Ah, dude, these hiccups are getting rough. Like, I'm just...
Okay.
oh, wait. Okay, we have another message. What would you do if Bigfoot... I haven't been checking. What would you do if you had sleep paralysis and then Bigfoot walked in on into your ion? Into your ion and peeled your face like a sticker, then started squishing it in between his toes? Oh my god. Well, I would probably be dead.
Yeah.
What would you do if you had sleep paralysis and then Bigfoot walked? Oh, that's just the same thing.
Yeah. Wait, okay. How are you finding these? Do you have a viewer?
Yeah. I have a viewer who's sending them.
Okay. That's a little weird.
Is it now? It's Chum Man. I know who's doing it. Come to the deep dark, my child. Come to the deep dark. I dare you, my child. I dare you to come to the deep dark.
I'm older than you, right?
Come to the deep dark. Oh, I forgot how treacherous this... Oh, my God. This place is really scary.
You realize I can't be your child because I'm older than you, right?
Come now, my child. Come to the deep dark.
It's literally biologically impossible for me to be your child.
Come to the deep dark, my child.
I am coming
We are
to the
all
deep dark.
fellow children of Shrek.
Then I'm not your child, I'm Shrek's child.
We are all fellow children of each other. Because this is...
Of each other?
This is the hippie times.
Okay.
I'm not actually sure where this stuff spawns. Because I was never able to find it. So I'm going to need your assistance at finding it.
Okay.
Because this stuff needs to be found, my guy.
Okay, hang on.
Oh, I didn't bring torches. Uh-oh, stinky. Dude, by the way, just so you know, 7.26 million FE. It's a lot of FE, my guy. Yeah. I'm leaving the deep dark. You get the steel. You're better at that. You get the steel.
How am I better?
This actually reminds me of a Demon Souls map, actually. Like, really similarly to a Demon Souls map. Find it. Because you're better than me at that.
I don't know where it is, though.
Well, find it, then. It's all about finding it, if you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Oh, she's getting the actual shit out of me.
Good.
Oh my god, find it, please. Thank you. I was just like, oh, what is this thing sprinting at me? I was like, oh, this is green. It's green, too.
I'm green?
You're green. You know what else? Actually, no,
wait,
it's not.
Why am I green?
It's the thing you were holding. You were holding the slime string, I think, maybe. No, you had slime boots.
My sword.
No, you had slime boots. That's actually kind of funny to say when it peaks.
Okay.
Oh, you don't agree?
I don't know.
You don't agree with the slime boots?